starting that next session of Te Hura Kohatu on page 881 in your prayer books, the Unveilings, the liturgies for the Unveilings. And on page 881, these are the rubrics. So the service is normally conducted by a priest, but a duly authorised layperson may take the service. Now, in many uruha, certainly in the north, it's done by kaumatua. So they don't wait around for a priest. They would like a priest, but it's generally done by a layperson or kaumatua. I runga I te ingoa o te atua, te matua, te tama me te wairua tapu. You're familiar with that opening. Kua hanga muri a mua oku e koe. Kua pā mai ano tō ringa kia hau. Ki te kake atu au ki te rami. Kei reira koe. Ki te whāriki tia e a hau. I'm just going to move something on my screen. Oops. Oh, sorry about that. Tōku moinga I roto I te rua. I've got a big box over that last bit on the end there. Perhaps I should open my prayer book. Oh, I roto I te rua tū pāpaku. Nā kei reira anō hoki. You are already familiar with this, e ho tuhinga mātou, and that's, so if you're chanting it, I don't know if you use this as the beginning of your Lord's Prayer, Inui a te ariki, you might sort of refer to, you know, the one that we have in our Eucharistic liturgies. Ko akona nei tātou e tō tātou ariki ka inui tātou. That's the most common one. But this is nice if you're chanting to use this. Lord have mercy, Christ have mercy, Lord have mercy. E hoa tuhinga mātou, e te karaiti tohuinga mātou, e hoa tuhinga mātou, e tō mātou matui te rangi. It's another lovely way because it's interactive, whereas the other one is only you are saying, ko akona nei tātou, whereas this one invites them to say, Christ, have mercy. E te atua kaharawa, nā tō mana, me tō aroha. I whakatapua ai, I tika ai ngā mea katoa. Kia aroha mai koe. A manaki tia mātou, tukua kia whakapūmau tia te mahi, a o mātou ringaringa. Ko ihu karaiti hoki tō mātou areke, āmine. And of course you'll see on page 883, it does go on, there are more prayers there. I'm not going to say it all for you. I think you've come a long way in terms of your pronunciations. There's no word in this prayer that's tricky or new to you. And this one is when the veil is removed. So you know that Māori use korowai. And so the veil is removed, and then I runga I te whakapono I Hukaraiti. Ka whakataku e tātou tēnei kohatu o tohu whakamāharatanga memorial, we just say kohatu. Hei whakamāharatanga ki tāna pononga ki a whoever it is. I runga I te ingoa. You're familiar with that. And so then the words can be read, and we usually invite a member of the family, whānau, to do that. This is the Hura Kohatu of Tā Paora Reeves. Sir Paul Reeves, which was held in 2012 at St. John's College. I'm not sure if you've been there and seen it, or whether some of you were there. And that is Archbishop Rowan Williams, who was the Archbishop of Canterbury at the time. And he did the unveiling. That is Tā Paora's daughter, Sarah. And she's just taken the korowai off. And underneath that is still another veil, and that's the Anglican Communion insignia. And someone from the whānau read the inscription. And now Rowan Williams moves on to continue with the blessing. So he probably went to the collect for All Saints Day. E te atua kaharawa. It's probably what he was saying there, I'd say. And then, of course, we normally sing a hymn. I'll do this straight off this kaupapa. You might already know it, but the music is there. So if you want to go back and, just pull out that section from the recording and take it to your organist, or if you play yourself, it goes like this. Koutou katoa me itine, haere mai koutou ke whakaro, tēnei a ihu nana te ki, haere mai koutou nei te hari tino hari nei, a te wā e tu tataki ai, hui atu tātou ropu katoa, runga te reo kine. And all it is, it's saying, all of us are gathered here today, and Ihu Karaiti is with us, and we join together in our joy at this time, and welcome. So you'll be able to Google that, the English translation on that, but that's the tune, commonly used at Tangi and Hura Kohatu. And then, of course, we move to the closing. And you know this one, kia noho a ihua kia koutou, ma ihua koe e manaki, and the closing prayer. And you're already familiar with this.